In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to JPG using Canva. Whether you're trying to share your designs in a more universally accepted image format or want something more suited for web use, turning your PDF files into JPGs is a handy skill. Let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. First, you'll need to start by opening your design in Canva. Once your design is ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, we're going to move on to transforming it into the format we want. Find your way to the top right corner of the page, and this is where we begin. You should see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. As you might have guessed, this is your gateway to exporting your design in various formats. The Share button isn't just for collaboration, it's also the place where Canva hides its download options. After clicking Share, a menu will drop down. Here, you'll need to click on Download. This is where you decide what format you want to save your design in. Now you'll see a list of possible file formats. Initially it might be set to PDF standard, which is great for most purposes when you need a PDF. However, we are aiming for a JPG file today. So what you'll need to do is select JPG. You'll find it in that same drop down list, neatly sandwiched between the other options. Once JPG is selected, you're almost there. Before proceeding, make sure everything looks good. This is the moment to check that you haven't missed any crucial detail in your design, because a quick review can save you time by avoiding redoing the process. After you've ensured that everything is set, it's time to click that download button again. Once you do, Canva will begin converting your design from a PDF format into a JPG file. Depending on your design's complexity and your internet connection, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute. And there you have it, your JPG file is ready. It should now be saved in your designated downloads folder on your computer. From here you can easily share it on social media, embed it in web pages, or simply use it wherever a JPG file is needed. Converting a PDF to JPG in Canva is that simple with these straightforward steps. You can quickly transform your designs and ensure they're ready for any platform. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher, and soon enough turning PDFs into JPGs will be second nature to you. Thanks for watching and happy designing.